Easiest way to make money online without investment in 2021. Now, in this method that I'm going to show you, you don't even need to sell anything. You can get paid for people to enter an email address or to perform an action, and you'll get paid for that. Now, some of these methods I'm going to show you, you'll get not only will you get paid for a lead, but if that lead converts into a sale, you get paid for the sale as well. My name is Graeme. I make these videos on affiliate marketing, how to make money online. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon and you'll get notified of future videos. It helps me. It also lets YouTube know that this is the sort of videos that you like to see. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. So this is just a quick look at the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed and you'll get notified. Hit the thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up as well somewhere through the video, and it'll give you a bit of love juice from YouTube. All right, so what am I talking about? What am I talking about when I say you can get paid without selling anything for performing a lead? Well, there are companies that will pay you for a lead. If someone enters an email address, they'll pay you. Now, some of these, it might only pay you 1 cent. Some of these, it could pay you, several dollars. It depends what it is and, the value that they see on a lead. And so where do you find these? All right, let's have a look at the first cost per lead. We call it CPL. Let's go over here to SEMrush. Now, they're not hard to find. You could do it. I'll show you after how to do a search to find some more of these. But so SEMrush is an SEO tool for people that into the make money online internet marketing field and building websites. So all you do is you go down here to more tools, affiliate programs, and that's at the bottom of the page. Click on the affiliate program and it'll just take a moment to load. And the affiliate program is managed by CJ Commission Junction. Now if you have a look here, SEM affiliate program, when you join, you can earn up to $10 for every new trial activation. I believe they pay you about $1 for someone just putting in an email address, and then someone taking a trial, just taking a trial, you can earn up to $10. And then if they go ahead with after the trial, they go ahead, you'll make more money out as well. Now you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting something up front for sending them an email address where people put in an email address, and then you earn money if they sign up for the trial, and then if they take the program, which is a monthly fee, I believe, you get paid ongoingly as well. So that's the first way. Now the next one is a website called Grammarly. Now let's have a look at this. Now Grammarly is it's like a spell checker for people doing, as you can see here, it's demonstrating it. Nothing worse than going to a website that's got typographical or spelling errors. So again, go to the bottom of the page and under company, click on affiliates. Earn big money promoting Grammarly. So you just sign up. And as you can see, you get 20 cents, 0.20 commission for someone just giving them an email address. Now, if you've got access to a database that, or you've got emails that, you haven't promoted anything to, or that you do promote to, this is something you could just promote on top of what you already do. Or you could go out and get traffic if you know how to get traffic. And then again, you get paid $20 for each premium plan that somebody would purchase. Now, whilst it might not sound a lot, 20 cents per sign up, they're just many people will sign up because there's no fee attached to it, because it's a free sign up. So the fact that you're just driving people to an opt-in form for whatever reason, because you can choose any product you like that offers this type of system. So you're just sending someone, they signing up for a free offer or get more information, and you get paid a fee for that just by the fact they enter their email address. Now, if you want to be able to have opt-in forms or build landing pages, I'm going to give you access to some free landing page software, sales funnel software. You'll just need to wait till the end, and I'll give you details for all of that. Totally free. Normally you would pay $300 per month. Okay, so number 3 is a website called Constant Contact. Now, this is a way where you can collect email addresses. It's an autoresponder service and send emails out automatically. So, again, I've already gone there, but go to constantcontact.com and scroll to the bottom to where it says affiliate. And this is how this program works. It's trusted by small businesses, bloggers, and entrepreneurs for over 20 years. And their affiliate program is really, really simple. Now, to get started, it just shows you, once you've enrolled, you fill out a form. All you need to do is place ads and links to Constant Contact on your website. Now, if you haven't got a website, I'll show you in a moment where you can post those links or how you can get a free website, how you can get a free blog. And then you get paid. So for everyone that just fills in their email address, they will pay you $5 for a trial. And then if they they purchase the product, which is the Constant Contact product, they'll pay $105 once off. Now, it's a recurring fee that the user pays, but they'll pay you upfront $105. So, well worth looking at this one as well. Now, the 4th website that offers CPL is a website called Skillshare. Now, Skillshare, and I've gone to the bottom already, and Skillshare/affiliates, you just go down there. They will pay you $7 every new customer you refer to Skillshare. $7. So here, it says, we partner with like-minded brand ambassadors to share new classes. So Skillshare is a website where people put courses together, educational products, and some of them, are not that expensive. So it's really appealing to a lot of people. And for people to sign up for it, they're going to pay you, wherever it was, $7 for people that take the trial, because they know from the statistics they've got and testing that what percentage of people that take that trial will become paying members. So they're prepared to pay you $7. And as you can see here, has 36,000 online classes, 60,000 student projects. And well worth it. Go and have a look. It tells you all about, it's free to join. Anybody that has at least a demonstrated channel audience that is aligned with Skillshare's brand. So really, really a good way, those $7 amount up. And then, as I say, if people then take one of those courses, they pay you another commission as well. Now, I want to find some more programs. There are lots of them, literally. Go to Google, type in, as I say, I started to type in CPL, and it already shows other searches. And these searches here are preemptive, and this is what people have already searched for. So I was going to type in best CPL programs, best CPL training in Canada, best CPL affiliate networks. So let's just click on that. Now, some of these will be comparison websites where they'll get paid a commission to refer you, but have a look. It's still a good way to find others. Now, another big website which is called Share a Sale. Now, what Share a Sale is, if you've looked at affiliate marketing, which is mostly what I do, affiliate marketing, say ClickBank, for instance, is a big website where they have over 3,500 products by other vendors. They just host them, and Share a Sale is a similar thing. So if you have a look, Share a Sale has different categories, and there are banks, credit card companies that will pay you. Now remember, these people are not buying something, so the number of people that enter their email addresses, all the details that these websites want is so much greater. There's so much less barrier because people are not outlaying money. They're just putting their details in to get free information or to get access to a free book or from free training. And so they're more likely to put their email address in. Now, credit repair. Here's one here. They pay you $1.25 a lead, but you get $95 a sale as well. So have a look on share a sale. There is lots. There are credit card companies that will pay you every time someone enters an email address to get details about how to get a new credit card. So, CPL, cost per lead, is one of the easiest ways to make money online without investment in 2021. What I really like, though, is affiliate marketing. And this is affiliate marketing, but what I like is high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, in the links below, I've got a link there on how you can make $1,500, $1,500 per sale. If you're interested, just click on that and you'll get taken to another page and you'll get some free training. Now, I did say earlier, if you waited till the end, I was going to give you access to some landing page software where you can collect emails and you can build free sales funnels as well, which allows you to collect the email address, set it up, automate it so that you can send out emails to those subscribers to give them more information and to sell other products. So if you have a look in the top left-hand corner of the screen, there will be a pink thumbnail which says free lifetime access. Click on that link on that thumbnail. It'll take you to another video, and in the description of that video, click on that link and you can sign up to get the free software. Now, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and I'll notify you every time I post a video. It helps me and it lets YouTube know that these are the sorts of videos that you're watching. So if you're interested in finding out more about affiliate marketing, look at the upcoming videos I have planned. This is, I like to do videos on show you the easiest way to make money online. Now, without investment in 2021 and sometimes with small investment. All my videos are based around getting started online with affiliate marketing for next to nothing or very low cost. Till the next video.